Immediately my security told me back, I knew there was a problem because I was expecting like a boss. Yes, I was expecting a boss because I had ordered for Christmas tree along with this. It's bad enough that this came in on the 8th of January. Like this. Hi guys, I'm Boston. Let's unbox my Temu together. Hold on. Before you guys say, can't you read? Yes, I actually did read the description. And guess what? I order things from China. I'm into importation. I'm into pre-order. So I know how to read the description of packages and goods. Mind you, they wrote 5 feet. 5 feet store should be about my height. So are you telling me this is 5 feet store? Temu. Abi. Okay, on double. I mean, do I unwrap this? Tell me why. Immediately I ordered for my packages, I started seeing reviews on Temu orders, etc. And I was thinking, well, mine will be different because obviously I read everything and I ordered according to the description. Christmas tree, 5 foot store. This was supposed to be the bottom of the Christmas tree. On to the next. Inside the nylon, the leg of Christmas tree. Moving on, I ordered for some accessories for the Christmas tree, of course. Of course. Can you imagine? I paid about 50k plus for all of this lighting. The Christmas tree was, with the decor and everything, was like 32k, which I feel like, okay, for a Christmas tree 5 foot store, it's actually worth the amount, because if I'm ordering from 1688, it's even way lesser than 32k, if that makes sense. Now for the lights. Is it Temu or Temu? Wherever to your long, lower yon. And it's funny how that day I didn't even want to pay. Then they gave me this free delivery, don't lose your coupon, kiniko shenanigans, and I was like, I should, oh my god, can you imagine? Let me even test this light and see if it works, because I'll have to return the rest except this light, because it's small. I can do something with it. Let me go and test it and I'll be back. So it works and it's bright, so I feel like I'll be keeping this one, and I'll have to request for a return. Although I didn't even try the remote, but it works. And the fact that it's portable, like I said. How did I finish? Oh, it comes with this. Show load. Oh, my lights. I should have just do my 1688. I just hope they collect this back. I'll do a refund. They should give me my money, except the license, of course. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay safe and be fabulous. Bye. Nice your cultural dance. Eh? This is where.